everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Creative English Hub. In this video, we will study activity sheet based on poem 2.6 Money from English Yuvak Bharati textbook standard 12th. See first question. Read the extract, complete the activities given below. You will have here an extract from the poem which is for 10 marks. Each activity is offered 2 marks. First activity is state whether the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statements with the help of the poem. So you have to correct the false statement also. You have to write true or false, then you have to write correct statement from poem. First point is the poet knew no joy till he was poor. The poet felt that he should talk about his poverty. Third is when poet had money, he had many true friends. Next point is when poet became poor man, he had few real friends. So here key answer is also given to you. First statement, it is false, that poet knew no joy till he was rich. This statement is false, and correct statement from poem is the poet knew no joy till he was poor. Second statement is true. Third is false, that when poet had money, he had many true friends. No, when poet had money, he had many false friends. Then this statement is true. Second activity, write reasons for the following statement. This question is for 2 marks. So 2 statements are given to you. First statement is friends came knocking all day at the poet's door. So you have to write the reason why they came knocking all the day at poet's door. Second is poor man's wives hum like bees. Why that poor man's wives, they are hum like bees. So here expected answer is also given. Friends came knocking all day at the poet's door because the poet had money and they thought that they could get benefit from being with a wealthy man, and it is easy for them to satisfy their needs. Second answer is poor man's wives hum like bees, meaning that they constantly talk despite the fact that their husband work from morning till night throughout the day. They are happy in their life. They prove the fact that satisfaction is the only way to live a happy life. They are tension free and they are expressing their happiness. Third question is personal. Share your views on money is the root of all evils. So here my answer is different and your answer may be different because you have to write your own views. So according to me, money is the root of all evils as it causes people to lose their rational mind. Their greed for obtaining more money leads to the crime such as frauds, scams and theft. It has shaped the world into a corrupt nation. The pursuit of money has surpassed all social aspects of human life, wherein friends and relatives are made based on one's bank balance, prestige. Such tendency of materialism has spoiled the society. So you can write your personal view. Then next activity is A4. Complete the crossword with the help of clues from the poem. Some clues are given to you in that point across and down. Read those clues properly and write the answer as per the pattern of crossword provided to you. So first is a brass musical instrument. Second is a low steady continuous sound. Third is false. Fourth is say something. In the downside, fifth point is not imagery. Sixth is ponder. Seventh is stinging insect. Eighth is in large number. Ninth is strike a surface noisily. Now here answer is also given to you. Read that answer properly and solve that crossword. Next activity is poetic creativity. So this poetic creativity, it carries 2 marks. You have to compose a poem. Theme will be given to you. Compose a short poem on friendship, कि आपको फ्रेंडशिप के ऊपर एक 4 लाइन की पोएम बनानी है. Your answer may be different, mine is different one. So here answer is friendship gives you great pleasure. It is worth of trust and treasure. True friends are never apart, maybe distance, but always in a heart. So here you have to create as per your imagination. Here extract based on poem and activities based on that poem. It is for 10 marks, and appreciation of poem. It is for 4 marks. In this way, poetry section it carries 14 marks. I hope you like the video. Thank you.